In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable JavaScript on Brave browser. JavaScript is what powers interactive features on the web, from buttons and menus to media players and login forms. If it's turned off, many sites can look broken or fail to load key elements. Brave is a privacy-focused browser, and while it usually allows JavaScript by default, you might have changed a setting or tightened privacy controls and now need to switch it back on. Let's walk through it clearly and carefully. Start by opening your Brave browser. Once it's open, look to the top right corner of the window for the main menu icon. It looks like three horizontal lines stacked together, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Click that to open the menu. From the menu, choose Settings. This opens a new tab with Brave's Settings dashboard, where all your browser preferences are organized in sections on the left. In the left-hand sidebar, click Privacy and Security. This is where Brave groups options related to tracking protection, site permissions, and the built-in Shields feature. Within Privacy and Security, select Site and Shields settings. This area controls what websites are allowed to do, including access to things like your location, camera, notifications, and of course, JavaScript. Now look for the JavaScript option and click it. You'll arrive at a page that controls whether websites can run scripts in your browser. To enable JavaScript globally, choose Sites can use JavaScript. This setting allows all sites to run JavaScript, which is necessary for most modern pages to function properly. A quick note for balance. Enabling JavaScript doesn't mean giving up on privacy. Brave's Shields will still block trackers and ads at the network level, and you can keep using other protections. If you prefer tighter control, the same JavaScript page includes sections for site-specific exceptions, so you can allow or block certain websites without changing the global setting. That way, you keep interactivity where you need it and limit it where you don't. If a page was already open while you change this setting, give it a quick refresh so the site can load its scripts correctly. If something still isn't working, check the Shields icon in the address bar to see if stricter protections are affecting that particular site, and adjust only if you're comfortable. That's it. You've enabled JavaScript in Brave and set yourself up for a smoother, more functional browsing experience, while still benefiting from Brave's strong privacy features. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back to browsing without the hiccups.